Hi everyone, I'm Master David Goh, a third generation Imperial Feng Shui master and a proud founder of Imperial Harvest. As we approach the year of the wood snake in 2025, I'm delighted to present my insights and prediction for those born under the Dragon Zodiac. Twenty 2025 will be a prosperous year for those born in the year of the dragon. With the support of the two auspicious stars, there will be opportunities for significant growth in career, wealth, and relationships. However, these three challenging stars may affect your professional and interpersonal life, so it's important to handle conflicts with care and to maintain a calm, diplomatic approach to avoid unnecessary problems. Financially, 2025 offers dragons strong opportunities to grow their wealth. With the right strategies and careful planning, you can see significant returns. However, be mindful of potential risks brought about by challenging stars. It is advisable to avoid high-risk investments and focus on stable ventures to ensure financial security. In 2025, career advancement looks promising for dragons. With help from beneficial stars and influential people, professional success is within reach. However, it is essential to pay attention to interpersonal relationships at work and avoid unnecessary conflicts. Navigating office politics and maintaining harmony with colleagues will be key to achieving your goals. In 2025, dragons can expect smooth progress in their love lives. Whether you're single or in a relationship, this year is conducive to forming or deepening emotional bonds. While lucky stars favor romantic harmony, it is still important to communicate openly and address small issues before they escalate into bigger conflicts. Health will generally be good for dragons in 2025. Maintaining a balanced lifestyle, avoiding overwork, and sticking to a regular exercise routine will help you stay fit. Be mindful not to overeat and prioritize rest to ensure both physical and mental well-being throughout the year. Overall, 2025 promises to be a positive year for those born under the Dragon Zodiac. With opportunities for success in career, wealth, and relationships, it is essential to stay mindful of potential challenges and approach them with calmness and wisdom. By maintaining a positive attitude and focusing on long-term goals, dragons can make the most of this prosperous year.